We're going to replace the gasket on the transmission. I've already pulled the plug and drained it. The oil is nice and honey colored. But you can see there was a shiny bits in there. Probably just normal wear and tear. It's got 43,000 miles on it. These are 10mm bolts. You can see it's got some sludge built up. So this is neutral. Those are your shift forks down there. If we pop it over into first, you can see it moves that into first gear. Second gear. Third gear. Fourth gear. And then fifth. Gears look good. Nothing's broken. There's a pool of fluid down there on the top now. I'm going to flip it over. Let it drain completely out. Get all that old stuff out of there. And then we'll clean it up and back into neutral. It'll be time to install it.